You are co-parenting with a high conflict or narcissistic ex and what to do about it. Perhaps this sounds familiar. This person is bombarding you with messages. They are demanding immediate responses. These messages contain insults and attacks. They are triggering to read, but you are court ordered to deal with this person and you have to respond. What do you do? The first thing is that there should only be one place for communication. That way, there's a track record that can't be erased. Look into a program called Our Family Wizard or a new program called App Close. Both of these allow you to message back and forth and create a non-erasable record of messages. Make sure you're using one and only one of these programs to communicate except in emergencies. Do not respond to this person by any other means. The next focus is answering only what needs to be answered. You may have heard the expression that you don't have to attend every party that you are invited to. This is especially true with your narcissistic ex. Chances are this person is very skilled at pulling you into these conversations and in making you feel as though you have to respond immediately and defend yourself. The good thing is that neither of these things are true. You can take the time you need to respond. You can set a boundary of 24 hours for all responses except a true emergency. This gives you time to cool down and not respond immediately or emotionally. Work on responding only to what you need to. This part will require help and support because, again, this is someone who knows how to push your buttons. I recommend working with a high conflict divorce coach to help you read and respond to these messages. You can also find some great resources by Bill Eddy and the High Conflict Institute. The last tip is knowing when to do something about this. Most back and forth communication issues are not something judges want to hear about or that they will do anything about. But at some point, this may escalate to the point where the other parent's fitness to co-parent may be called into question. This is something to speak to a lawyer about and nobody else. Not your well-meaning friends, not your therapist, not even your divorce coach or the people in your Facebook groups. None of these people can give you an accurate answer about whether you should pursue this in court. Only an experienced lawyer in your local community would be able to guide you on your next steps. But there are also steps you can take without going to court, and which may help the situation, and which may help set up a better case for court. One of those is a parent coordinator who can help work on communication. Most of the time, a parent coordinator can't be a witness for you in court, but sometimes it helps to know there's a third party that's going to get involved in your high conflict case, and your ex may be concerned about how they appear in front of that person. Even if that doesn't work, you can say as part of your case, you worked with a parent coordinator and that it was not successful. And this might help with a custody case. These are just a few suggestions from someone who has worked in the field of family law for almost 20 years. But this is not legal advice. Again, only an experienced divorce attorney in your local area can and should advise you on these topics. Our Denver, Colorado Springs, and South Florida law firm handles matters relating to divorce and custody. We offer free resources on our website that might help with your family law issues. Our website is www.sustainablefamilysolutions.com. As always, we welcome your thoughts and comments.